Hey there, what's up? So in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 3 main reasons why you may want to unlock your phone. Let's go. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech. In this channel, I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, and I talk a lot about passive income. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. And there's gonna be links to all the information I talk about in this video in the description down below. So let's go. All right, so reason number 1 why you may wanna unlock your iPhone or Android is so that you can save money on a monthly basis with your monthly service. So you may be overpaying right now for whatever company you're using. Maybe they're overcharging you or there's hidden fees, and you may want to change carriers to a carrier without a contract that has lower monthly payments and maybe offers more data. So by unlocking your phone, you're going to have the freedom and ability to choose between whichever carrier it is that you prefer. Because since your phone is locked, you are limited to just that carrier that your phone is originally from. So by unlocking your device, you can go to any GSM carrier that you wish to use. Reason number 2 why you may want to unlock your device is so that when you travel overseas and there's other carriers that aren't in the country that you're originally from, you'll be able to just pop that SIM card into your phone from the carrier in that country and it will work right away. If your phone is locked and you insert a SIM card when you're traveling abroad from another carrier, it's not going to work. It's going to say invalid SIM or SIM not supported. So by having your phone unlocked, it'll give you the ability to activate that SIM card in any country that you're traveling to, pop it into your phone, Android or iPhone, and it will pick up signal right away as long as your phone is unlocked. So it'll give you the freedom of not having to buy a new phone every time you travel outside the country. You can just have your phone wherever it is that you live unlocked, and every time you travel, you can just continue using your same phone, and that way you have all your info and app data on your device, and you don't have to be switching from phone to phone every time you travel overseas. And reason number 3 why you may want to unlock your device is because it's also going to raise the resale value of your phone. If you're thinking about upgrading, getting a new device, and you're thinking of what you're going to do with your old device, you can go ahead and sell it and get some money for it. However, if it is locked to a certain carrier, you are limiting yourself to the buyers for the device, since only people that actually use that carrier that the phone is locked to will be interested in buying the device, making the sales price a lot lower. If you have the device unlocked, now you're able to sell it to pretty much anyone in the entire world that uses a GSM carrier, which are all the major carriers worldwide. So you are unlimited to the amount of potential buyers that you may sell your phone to. And because of this reason, you'll be able to sell your phone for a lot higher. There's also a lot of people out there that are interested in buying unlocked phones because they also want to be able to use whatever carrier they prefer or travel to any country and have the ability of using their unlocked phone however they please. So unlocking your phone will also raise the resale value of your device for whenever it is that you want to sell it to upgrade to a new device. And it can raise the value from anywhere from $100 to a couple $100 depending on your phone model. All right, everyone, so that was the 3 main reasons why you may want to unlock your phone, Android or iPhone. And I'm going to have a link down below in the description to the website that I use to unlock my iPhones every time I need it unlocked. So that is it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you got some value out of it. And that is it for this one. I will see you in the next video. And as always, peace.